In this video, we'll be showing you how you can open a bank account or the Bank of America account easily online. As you can see, you just need to head into this site by just a direct link, which is the www.bankofamerica.com/deposits/bank accounts. So when you access their site, you need to input your zip code. So for me, this is my zip code. After inputting your zip code, just click the gold blue button, and then you must select the country where this zip code belongs to. So when you click this, it will show the select your country and just input your country there. Then after doing that, it will show you this part. You just need to select the banking account that you want to open. And for me, I'd like to open a Savings account. So just click the blue link below this description. And then it will redirect you into this introductory page about this savings account. So just click the open now here. And then as you can see, you must just click this or just check this. So let's check this, since if you are an existing Bank of America online banking customer, you just need to click this. Or if you have a offer code, just click this. So go to application after checking them. And here, as you can see, we don't have a existing account in Bank of America. So you can continue as a guest for your application, and it will redirect us to the application page. Here you have to prepare the basic information or your personal information that will be needed into your creation of your bank account. So these are just really simple. So just complete this until you reach the final page and just review and submit it. And that's it. That's how you can open a Bank of America account online easily. And thank you for listening.